So number 11, I want you to get used to what the question's asking for. It says, find the y-coordinate of the system. So notice, we've talked about systems today actually in class, and this is a system, an equation and an equation. And you have to essentially solve for both x and y. Well, in this case, it only wants you to solve for the y-coordinate. It tells you, find the y-coordinate. So we need to solve for y. So in order to solve for y, we have to get rid of the x. Well, in this case, we need to get rid of the x. Notice I have 9 and negative 3. Well, you can't get rid of those the way they are. Okay, it's 9, negative 3. They're opposites. One's positive, one's negative, but they have to be the same number. So in order to eliminate the x's, I need to multiply the bottom. I need a negative 9 down here so I can cancel the positive 9 and the negative 9 out. So I'm going to multiply this whole bottom by a positive 3. Because what happens when I multiply that is I'm going to get this. Well, 3 times negative 3 will be negative 9x. 3 times negative 10 is going to be negative 30y. And 3 times 4 is going to be 12. So now I have essentially that bottom piece became that right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down what I originally had, the 9x minus 3y equals, what's that, 21? Yeah, 21. Okay? So let's go from there. I've got my x's here. They cross out because they're opposites of each other. They are going to cross out. So goodbye to the x's. Now I'm left with the y's. I've got negative 30 minus 3 is negative 33y. And over here I've got 12 plus 21. Well, that equals 33. All right, well, I just got to solve for y here. How do I solve? I need to divide. In order to get rid of that negative 33 with that y, again, they're being multiplied together. So to break that apart, I need to divide. So I'm going to divide by negative 33. So that's going to be gone. You're left with y equals 33 divided by negative 33. You'll have a calculator in class, but we should know that that equals negative 1. And that is the answer we're looking for. You don't have to go any farther than that for this question. If you look at the original question, it says find the y-coordinate. Well, the y-coordinate is all the way down here. Y equals negative 1. We're done. Look for that answer and keep it moving. Again, if you ever have any questions, feel free to ask in class to any of your respected Algebra 1 teachers. But hopefully these videos are helping out and you're learning a good bit.